Watkins from OASIS Adult Day Services here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I'm Lisa Watkins, the Executive Director, and we thank you so much for joining us for this session of the OASIS Caregiver Connection. And we're joined today by Kirk Schauer with Schauer Law Firm. Thank you, Kirk, for taking time out to join us.
I'm happy to be here, Lisa.
Thank you. And first of all, I just want to ask you if you can just kind of give us an overview of the essentials that someone needs to look at when they've considered caring for a loved one, taking on that role as primary caregiver.
A couple things for them to keep in mind are the scope of responsibilities they may have, not just in the day-to-day activities they would have in helping someone, but then legally what ways they may be called on to serve. There's a couple different documents that they may be named in that they would want to be aware of, such as an advanced medical directive, even a will, a power of attorney. Some of those things are important to ask if they exist, so if those documents do exist, where they're located, and then finding out who some of the key people in those are so that as a caregiver you know about it, and more importantly you know that if you are one of those people that are designated.
I know I get a lot of questions from caregivers about power of attorney and which kind to have. Can you kind of talk to that a little bit also?
Sure.
Okay.
So there's power of attorneys that speak to medical needs and medical conditions and the kind of decisions that that person can make instead of you. So they would be designated as a power of attorney for medical reasons. That's one set of powers you can give someone. Another one can be very broad and speak to bank accounts, business matters, day-to-day transactions, and the need again for that I think is very strong in this day and age where you're going to have multiple bank accounts, you're going to have maybe different investment accounts, and so in having a reliable person that you've made aware of ahead of time, you don't want to surprise someone that, hey, you've been named my power of attorney. You want to have that discussion with them ahead of time if this situation happens and the power of attorney comes into effect.
Well, in closing, Kirk, can you just give the information if somebody has further questions, how they may contact you?
Our firm is here in Tulsa, and our phone number is 918-938-7300. Our website is schauerlaw.net, and so they can log on there and see more information about us and how we help people in these same kind of situations.
Great. Thanks again.
You're welcome,
Appreciate you
Lisa.
being here. And thank you for joining us for this broadcast of OASIS Caregiver Connection. And if you have any questions, need more information, please don't hesitate to give us a call at OASIS here in Tulsa, 918-749-6969. Thank you.